Hey guys, in the fast lane here. In this video, I'm going to discuss the oiling issue that a lot of people talk about on an LS-VTEC, where you're running the oil line from the oil pressure sensor port and you run it up to the cylinder head. Now, I've heard this so many times, so we're going to discuss it and get right down to the brass tacks of the truth. A lot of people say, well, that's unfiltered oil, and it's before the oil filter, so the oil pump's pushing it through right into that LS-VTEC oil port line because you didn't run it out of a oil sandwich on the oil filter. And when you run it up here, now you're getting unfiltered oil up into the cylinder head, and that's how you're going to pretty much catastrophically destroy your whole engine, because if anything happens down in the block, it's going to get sucked up into the oil pump and pushed right into the cylinder head. Well, that is wrong. That is incorrect information. It's untrue, and I'm going to prove it to you right now. The biggest misconception is this oil pump pulls oil from the oil pan. That's correct. But what it doesn't do is it doesn't push it into this line before the oil filter. Now, I know that's what everybody thinks happens, but it's not what happens. And I'm going to show you. Here's how it really happens. Sucks the oil from the oil pan up into the oil pump. Goes from the pump straight through this galley right here into the oil filter. You notice how I didn't say it goes into the oil pressure sensor first? Because it doesn't. I know it looks like it does. Sure, it looks like it does, right? But what you're missing is it's not in this channel here. This pressure sensor, this oil pressure sensor port, is not in this channel. It's in this channel up here. And if you look way back here, the oil filter goes all the way to the back. It comes out, over, and then out here. This is filtered oil. It's filtered oil, guys. So don't let anybody tell you that, oh, you put it right here, you're pushing unfiltered oil into the cylinder head and you're going to blow your whole engine up. Not true. 100% filtered oil. Kind of would be crazy that Honda would take an oil pressure sensor, which is critical, and put it in an unfiltered place. That would be ludicrous. So guys, it's filtered. Don't worry about it. It's just as good as putting it on your oil filter sandwich as it is putting it on the oil pressure port. I drew this up real quick just so you could understand. You see where the oil pump comes out on the left side. It goes straight to the oil filter, but right above it, in the top left there, you can see how it comes back out of the oil filter and goes to that oil pressure sensor. Exactly what I was showing you right here. You can see it right there. Comes right out, right there in the corner. Goes right there, and it shoots out, and then it comes out here. Then when you look at the paper, right there in the corner, right there in the corner. How it works is the oil goes through here, into the oil filter on the outside, through the holes, and then it goes back down to the center, into right down here. If you look down here, you can see it. Comes out the back right there. Shoots out right there on the back, and then comes down right this center line right here to the oil pressure sensor. I took a light blue marker and I drew it up real quick. You can see how it starts out over here on the side, and it goes down, shoots out, and then comes over here. Just like that. I went ahead and took off the oil filter and oil sandwich, and now we're going to prove it without a shadow of a doubt. There's not going to be any questions. We're going to put air through the oil pressure switch port, and we're going to see exactly where it comes out. This is the channel where everybody thinks it goes through, and then it comes out here first before it goes into the filter. However, we're going to look right in here. You can see over here on the side where that would come out. If I would put air in here, it should be blowing out right here. However, if it doesn't, we'll track down exactly where it's blowing out. You don't hear any change. Now watch this. Now, as you can see, this port right here, this only goes after it's filtered. What you just saw is the air was coming out of the filtered hole. Anything that's in here is already filtered. Anything that's out here is unfiltered. This is the oil that comes out through the side of the oil filter, and then it's squeezed in through the holes in the middle, and then it goes back down in through this hole right here, and this is filtered oil. So what you just saw is when we blew the air through here, it wasn't coming out of this port right here. It was coming out of the center port, the one that goes all the way to the back, and we'll get a better shot inside there so you can actually see the port that's blowing the air. Before we get that shot, these holes right here, this is where the oil comes in from this port right here. This hollow area, it goes through here, goes down in there, and then if you look inside, not sure if you can see it, inside there, there's holes. Little holes right there. Those holes, as you can see them, those holes, when it goes through here, it gets squeezed through the filter and then it comes into the middle and pumped right back through this port. And anything in here is all clean oil. Now here's a better shot. You can look right in there, and that corner to the left where it rounds off and goes, that is going right there. You can see it right there. See how it follows in, and then there's the hole around the corner at the very, very back. And it goes right over here. Don't hear any change. Now watch this.